Hey guys, it's your girl Vic.
And it's your boy Tay.
And today we are doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge. Woo! This edition is a little different than everybody else's.
Yeah.
Because I am pregnant and I have to pee a lot. So we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna be going to Santa Monica and just, you know, doing regular stuff today. And then right now we're at an adult warehouse to get the handcuffs because yesterday we bought some janky ones and they don't really work well. Yeah. So we need some actual handcuffs. I think this works best with everything I got. $52.
Oh my god. Where I'm seeing a whole bunch of weird shit. No. Not the fluffies. I'd rather do regular, thank you.
Alright. Are you disturbed?
Who needs anything that?
Okay everyone, we got the handcuffs. Taiwan was a little freaked out in there, I think.
Ooh, these are heavy.
They're not that bad.
Got some weight to them. Hold me down.
They better fit your wrists.
I'm gonna put the keys in my pocket. We cannot lose these or we are stuck. And I am not trying to be in one of those situations.
Yeah, but he loses everything that goes in his pocket, so I don't think that's the smartest idea.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's cuffing season. And you're cuffed. You can't go to it. I'm sorry.
Oh, God.
Alright.
Do they fit your wrists?
We're gonna find out. Oh, shit.
Oh yeah, alright.
Boy.
Alright, here we go guys. Wait, you know what I just thought of?
Huh?
How are we gonna get out the car? One of us is gonna have to climb over.
Let's just make our stops very short. Okay?
And then you're gonna have to drive and I'm gonna have my hand out like this the whole time you're driving.
We gotta go back to the house, man. Real quick, man.
We gotta go to the house because he forgot his phone.
Oh,
whoa.
I'm sorry, Mr. Man. I know you're trying to get into the
He's just coming in to get some videos, alright?
I know you're picking up the newest edition. Yes, they just came out last week.
So we're on our way to the apartment because Taiwan forgot his phone. And he forgot his glasses, his stylish glasses. And then we're gonna go get some food because we're both very hungry.
Yes.
And then we're gonna go to Santa Monica and go do some fun things. I don't know.
Yeah, it's gonna be something. We are one now.
We're always one. But this is just fun because I'm pregnant. I'm 8 months pregnant and we're doing the handcuff challenge.
And she said it was supposed to be fun.
It's gonna be fun.
With a pregnant woman, I think it's gonna be absolutely amazing.
Okay, this is as much as I can brighten up our camera right now. We're in the garage, so it's like really dark. But we're about to try to get out this car.
Yeah.
You're climbing over me, right?
Yes. Actually, you're going first, and I'm following.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, this is horrible. My gosh. Hold on. She back.
The OnStar system is not active. To activate your service, push the blue OnStar button now. Or
I ain't breaking it. This is my car.
For OnStar.
This is my car. I know she could talk. Ugh. She hiding secrets from me. Ooh, we're gonna have to do this all day, baby.
That wasn't that hard, was it?
It's not the way I'd like to enter and exit a car, but I'll take it if I have to.
So I just told Taiwan that I think I should pee now while we're home before we go out into the public.
Well, Better now than never. Let me turn on the light so I'm not stranded in the dark.
Wait, but you're gonna have to go in the bathroom.
No, I'm not. You can close the door. Close the shoulder. Turn the light on first. Let's think, okay?
I can't get my pants down. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh man.
Okay.
We're going down together, y'all.
I got this. Okay. I'm nervous.
She got my ass.
Wow, I barely even peed.
All this? For what? For what? Ah. She got my arms. Oh, be careful now, woman. Be careful. Anyway, we're about to go to Taco Bell. Cause I'm craving some Taco Bell. What you craving, baby?
An orange freeze from Taco Bell.
Ooh, I don't even know if I
can't eat Taco Bell because it's spicy.
Right,
and the doctors told me to stay away from spicy foods.
We're going to have to get her something else other than Taco Bell.
That was easy. Tell me why every time we go to Taco Bell, their freeze machine is down. Every single time.
She's dead.
I can see it in your face, you ain't messing with them names. Just come over to my place and get naughty. Oh yeah, I know he ain't doing nothing like me. Come over once and you'll be living nicely. Just as long as you can get what I need. Oh baby, I can't wait to see you, babe. I can't wait to tease you, yeah. Walk around the crib without the jeans, oh baby.
Okay everybody, so we have made it to Santa Monica. So now we're just gonna go roam around. Oh, jeez,
man, this is embarrassing.
Are you ready for all the stares?
I'm not ready for all the stares.
I actually don't even care. Like, if people stare, what's up? I'm doing a challenge.
Doing a challenge?
Look at the baby bump. You good?
I don't want to do this. Let's take these off. This is a bad idea.
It smells like McDonald's fries, and I really want some fries.
Some fries.
Fries.
She wants fries. Look at this. I feel like a slave to society.
Here.
Oh, and there's a car behind me. Let's go.
Let's just get hit.
Hit me. Take me from.
Ow!
Sorry.
You don't realize how much you use both hands until you're handcuffed to someone.
Yeah, it's true. I use my right hand for everything, and I don't have my right hand freedom. So, you know, go for a little.
Maybe we should go try to swing.
No, we're gonna go. It's in the sand. We're gonna go for a little stroll. The reason why I don't feel like going in this sand right now is because I have on these shoe boots, and I don't really feel like taking them all the way off to put them all the way back on.
I wore fresh kicks to the beach. Who wears fresh kicks to the beach?
Who wears Jordans to the beach? How about you answer that?
Because they match my outfit.
Oh, well look it, we have something in common.
Well, you have plenty of white shoes that you could have worn. But instead you wear the freshest.
And you have plenty of other shoes that would have matched your camouflage outfit. Thank you, once again. Oh yeah, goals. That is so much cool. Yeah, the handcuff challenge. Good luck. Thank you.
Oh babe, look at this thing. This is cool. Can you, maybe you can record my...
Record what? You in the dragon's mouth while me standing right beside you? No.
Yeah.
That's not how it's gonna work.
But it's cool.
Alright. What?
This is so cool.
I don't even think. Don't want one?
No, they just have corn dogs. I don't want a corn dog, I want a hot dog.
Okay. Alright, let's go get you this. Ah, my wrist. It is like rubbing me raw.
Uh-oh.
It's a handcuff challenge.
Are you guys YouTubers?
Yeah, we're just starting, you know.
Hell yeah.
What's your channel?
The Nayways.
Nayways. Okay, I'm gonna look it up.
Thank you.
Thought I had a feeling you guys were YouTubers. I don't think anyone would just do that to do.
Oh no! I promise you. I mean, yeah. We had a party last night and it got too rough.
Yeah.
No, I'm just right.
We lost the key.
Shout out Eric. Thank you guys for so much. It was really nice meeting you guys. You know, you guys seem very humble, very nice. And I'm glad we got to, you know, meet you guys.
I really should not have worn this.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it now, and just me wearing this outfit just doesn't cut it. How you feeling? How's the baby feeling?
Good.
Good?
He wants a hot dog.
He wants a hot dog.
Yeah.
The baby wants a hot dog.
The baby wants a hot dog.
Alright, let's get him a hot dog.
We can go like shop around at in the malls, because we need to find you a shirt anyways for our photo.
What mall are we going to looking like this?
No, babe.
What?
There's shops right over here. Like the mall, Santa Monica.
Yeah, I guess we can do that. Cuff season.
I've been waiting to be cuffed for so long. I've been single forever.
Girl, please. I'm done with this.
I don't even know where this baby came from.
Alright, now you're tripping. Man.
Every time you come to Santa Monica Pier, there's always these ladies that stand there and they're like, churros, churros. I can't roll my R's.
Yeah, she sounds like really, really weird when she tries to roll her R's.
You say it.
Churros?
Churros.
No, churros.
Churros.
Just follow us on Instagram, get a free water.
Jesus, let's just...
Hey, maybe we should start that. Follow me on follow me on YouTube, and you get a free water. Old ladies, we just walked past, they were just like so confused. Like, she was so confused. She probably thought we were just like arrested or something. My stomach keeps tightening, guys. I think because I don't usually walk around this much.
Yeah, no. Not me neither.
And it keeps like tightening, like super tight.
If we go to H&M, how exactly am I gonna be able to try on some clothes?
You don't.
Exactly. I don't.
If we see it, we buy it, and then later on we can return it.
I guess H&M, where we need to be.
Oh look, that shirt that says Jingle.
For me.
Excuse me. I guess I can't even look. Oh no way, they have your shorts here.
Oh, gotta get them.
We were looking everywhere for him to get some of these shorts, and nowhere had them at the mall by our house. This whole store, Taiwan has just been yanking me everywhere. No, that black one's nice though.
This one?
Yeah. They have a smaller one. So how is it shopping with one hand?
It's horrible, man.
Okay, so now we are going to be heading out of Santa Monica. And I think we're gonna head back towards our house and go to the mall by our house. And then we're gonna get some Applebee's.
Yes, some Applebee's.
Some of their
definitely
appetizers.
Definitely for that. Here, I gotta get my hair cut, guys. It's been a long time since I got it cut, obviously, as you can see. But yeah, definitely gotta get it tamed. Get it tamed.
Get it tamed. Okay guys, so we just made it to Applebee's after that 15-minute drive. And it was horrible because we were driving through the mountains and I started feeling nauseous AF.
Jeez. Now we're at Applebee's. and we're about to you know, get a little something to eat. Get a little something to eat. Alright, so we figured out what we were gonna get. We're gonna get the chicken wonton tacos, the spinach artichoke dip, and I'm gonna get the French onion soup because, you know, I think it'll clear my sinus up a little bit.
Boneless wings.
And the boneless wings.
Because Applebee's has the 3 for $13 appetizers, so that's what we're doing.
You know what I hate about? There's this new thing in California where in restaurants, any restaurant, you don't get straws anymore unless requested upon one. So, we have to drink out of these nasty ass glasses.
Why don't you ask for a straw?
I'm gonna ask for a straw.
Are you really?
Yes. I just hate the fact that now when you go to a restaurant, you don't get a straw. You have to ask for it all the time.
Like, why would I want to sip on, like, other people's lips sipping on this?
Yeah, the dishwasher, I know for sure doesn't wash the dishes super cleaner.
I never got my hot dog.
It's okay. It's fine. Boy, oh boy, am I glad to spend these last 7 hours of the day handcuffed to you.
You're mean. He just wants to go home and play Fortnite all night.
I'm sorry, but once you play, you get hooked on it. I don't know what happened. I just played it one time.
Ladies, if your man is addicted to video games, I feel your pain. He was never addicted to video games, and then out of nowhere he buys a PlayStation, right? And now he's addicted and it's all he does. Like, this wasn't the man I fell in love with.
I remember when we were like at another apartment, we were playing video games too. Call of Duty, you don't remember that?
Yeah, but not like crazy. Like, me and you would play it so often.
We play that bitch. Oh, we play like a couple games every day.
Yeah, a couple games. Like 5-minute games.
Every day.
What?
Every
not
day.
Every day.
Babe. Babe.
We got the wonton tacos.
Got the wonton tacos. Good.
It tastes like an Asian.
Asian dish?
Yeah.
Wonton.
The artichoke dip is just the best. Like,
yeah, if you hadn't had Applebee's artichoke dip, you have got to have it.
we just finished our Applebee's. It was pretty good. Our server wasn't the best.
Yeah, it was pretty good. He wasn't the best, but you know, he's pretty busy. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at this. Look what's going on behind me, bro. Isn't that beautiful? Still handcuffed. Been doing this the whole day. It is not only tiring, but hurts the hell out of my wrist.
Oh, are you guys recording?
Oh yeah.
Get it!
Thank you. All right, back to crawl back into the whip. This is why I can't wait for this challenge thing to be over.
Well,
Oh God. It sucks. I just ate. Stop it!
I'm pinching his butt. You got it, babe. Alright guys, so we just got done watching Good Girls, an episode, and Zaylin is moving like crazy, so Taiwan is about to read to him.
Yes, sir.
But like, I wonder if you could see it through my... Yep, you can. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, there it is.
Mm-hmm.
A little growl I heard? It sounded like your tummy. Let's get a snack then, hit the sack. You're needing something yummy. Who's ready for bedtime bath? The bubbles reach the sky. I filled the tub, so scrub-a-dub-dub and watch those bubbles fly. I'll hold you near so you can hear me whisper, I love you. Let me delete some videos out of my capture thing.
Babe, you know what I feel coming right now?
What?
Poop.
Oh man. Alright, go ahead. She's going to the bathroom and I'm just arms deep in the door. She's back from her bathroom break. We're back cuffed up. See how I can play this game. Whoa! That is not the gun I need. Yeah, I'm not doing this, man. This is gonna have to go, babe. It's been real.
Alrighty, guys, and so you had it.
Yeah.
That was our 24-hour handcuff challenge. We are both exhausted.
Yeah.
And it is time for
bed. Absolutely.
We're still handcuffed at the moment, but we're about to take them off.
Yes.
And it was a fun day, very eventful day, very tiring day. But I think the challenge was really fun.
I thought it was really fun too.
Uncuff these things.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Keys are a little janky.
Ow!
I'm sorry.
Keys are a little janky. Or you're a little janky.
Don't forget to give us a like, share, subscribe, and please turn on our post notifications so every time we post a video, you'll be able to see it.
Thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed our vlog.
And we'll see you guys next time.
And we will see you guys on Monday.
Yes.
Mwah.
Bye.
Goodbye. Peace.